Hello Amorians, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chef Amors and I share simple amazing recipes. So in today's video, we're making dambu from scratch. Dambu is a northern Nigerian delicacy which is loved by almost everybody, at least that which I know of. And first thing you need to do is you're going to crush your rice into, grit. We call it rice grit. So you're going to crush that, you're going to put it in your blender and keep pressing the pause button. You don't want to grind this to powder. Please keep in mind you're trying to get what we call rice grit, like local rice or something like that. So take your time to do this as it is very crucial in this recipe. Or you can just buy the rice grit outside and just proceed if you don't want the stress. Now once you have something like this, you're going to sieve it to remove the powder because you don't want the powder, you just want the grit. And then you're going to wash this in water as many times as you can so the water is clear and not milky, just like in the video. Please take your time to do this because you don't want to end up with clump dambu. But removing the starch from this will help you get your dambu as it should. So now if you don't have a steamer, it's perfectly okay, you can still make dambu. All you need to do is add water to a pot, add a colander, and then add your strained, clean, washed rice. You're going to add that, spread it out, and then use a foil, aluminium foil, to cover the top. Cover with the lid and let this steam for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once it is cooked for 25 minutes, or let me say steam for 25 minutes, you're going to put it back into your bowl and add your other condiments or ingredients. Now I will add my seasoning, salt, onions, crushed peanut, blended or crushed pepper mix, fried vegetable oil, and my hydrated moringa leaves. You can also use spinach, but the one with moringa tastes way better. So now all you need to do after adding your other ingredients is to give everything a good stir, just like I'm doing in the video. You need all the ingredients to marry each other, so keep stirring until everything is well mixed and cooperated. Now once you have something like this, it's time for you to steam it for the second time. Yes, you're actually going to steam this twice. And yes, in this video I use the dried moringa leaves that I hydrated with water. You can as well as use the fresh moringa leaves if it is available. I shoot this video when moringa wasn't in season, but if it is in season, please use the fresh one, it tastes way better. Now put back the mixture into your colander as you can see in the video. And then I'm going to add some spring onions because I love the aroma it gives to my dambu, but it is totally optional. Cover it with aluminium foil, then with the lid, and let it steam further until your dambu is ready. This should take another 15, 20 to 30 minutes. Once done, this is what you should have. Super delicious dambu in no time. What will you be pairing this dambu with? You're going to pair this with it with either peppered chicken, pepper sauce, or the traditional way with your fried vegetable oil and yaji. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I will see you in the next one. Bye.